Which planning kit should be ordered to modify the interior of the MinneDome? I do not need a full kitchen or a formal dining area.
Well, it's really taking the plan of the MinneDome. So we don't really have an interior planning kit outside of the plan for the MinneDome itself. So we can send you a copy of that plan that we created for the prototype that we have here. And with that, you can kind of modify that around, but we can do that together. Either we do Zoom calls, we'll just talk on the phone. You need to know the limitations that there may be. So what do you want to change and where do you want to put it? Make the stairway work. How big of a shower do you want? All those things can be talked about. And we do FaceTime, anything, any communication that you can have with us, we can do. And from that, help you make the decisions or help us redesign that plan for you, knowing what you want and why you want it.
Yes, thank you. I am a senior retiring downsizing, so a lot of the stuff, for example, a full kitchen and service for 6 people wouldn't apply, where having a bedroom on the main floor would be more practical as I get older and can't get up those stairs. And I just didn't know where to start with, okay, these are my priorities as opposed to what you have in your prototype.
Yeah, and the prototype is based on a 29-foot diameter dome. So the reality is that we've got somebody now looking at a 33-foot diameter dome done the same way, where we take that dome and we slice it, following the contour lines of the triangles of the dome. So that's something that we knew this could be done on a larger dome to get more space on the main floor. You could also add an extension on the back for a bedroom. That's plan hasn't been built, but it's been done. You can also talk about a chairlift. You know, there's a lot of different ways to accomplish this, being able to stay in your dome and change as you change.
Thank you.
Sure.
Okay.